Hey, what is up everyone? This is Tattoo Bart and welcome to the channel. In today's episode we got another really cool review for you guys. We're gonna use the L3 starter kit or tattoo bundle from Dragonhawk, which is a stroke adjustable tattoo machine which is absolutely amazing. So we're gonna dive down, have a look at this whole bundle, use everything that's in this bundle, and I will give you my honest thoughts at the end of this video. So inside this box we have a little bit of everything. We got a bit of foam, then we have some gloves, some grip tape, some cartridge needles, some very fashionable bracelets, a separate battery, transfer paper and a little bit of practice skin, and of course the tattoo machine itself. Now let's pack that all up and have a closer look at how this machine actually works. So this machine is pretty simple to operate, but there are a couple of things you should know. There is a power button, a plus and a minus button, which will control the display. Then we have a ring down here with our stroke adjustments from 4.2 all the way down to 2.4. You can slide them over and they click really nice into place, so you can adjust your stroke. Now if you hold the power button for a couple of seconds it will turn on, and if you press it shortly it will start to run. With the plus button you can increase your voltage, and with the minus of course decrease your voltage. Now, if you hold them it will speed up a little bit so you can make your adjustments a little bit faster. Now this machine has 0 to very minimal vibrations. If I set it down on my table you can barely even hear it vibrate. You can set your needle depth by twisting the grip or have your needle sticking out a little bit further. Now a good thing is if you twist this thing all the way around it doesn't adjust the stroke on you, which in some previous models it actually happened. This one is really sturdy, really love that. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this machine is stroke adjustable from 4.2 down to 3.9, 3.6, 3.3 and so on, all the way down to 2.4. which will cover most of the tattoo styles. Now we have a separate battery in this little box right here, so if you ever happen to run out of juice you can always change your batteries. Now these batteries can be charged with a Type-C charger, which is included in the package. You can remove the battery by just pulling it up and push the other one in. It's simple as that. Now let's have a look at what our practice skin looks like that we're going to be using for this video. It is the very thin and kind of weird practice skin that I usually never really use, but since we have it, we're going to use it anyways, as well as the needles that come in this package. However, I do really love those. I have used them in the past and I have a full-on review on these needles on my channel as well. Now in this video we're going to use a 5-round liner, and of course we're going to use a magnum to do a little bit of shading. In this case it's a 7 magnum. So the L3 actually really surprised me by the way it looks. It is very sturdy build. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Fold 3 that I reviewed way back, which was probably one of my favorite stroke adjustable tattoo machines. I think the way you can adjust the stroke on this machine is better than on some of the more higher end stroke adjustable tattoo machines from Dragonhawk, like the Fold Pro and yeah, that whole series basically. So I feel like this one is really well built. Now what we need to figure out is how this thing actually tattoos. So we're going to use the practice skin that's inside this bundle and yeah, see how she tattoos. If this is your first time working with cartridges, you can take them out of your package pretty easy, squeeze them or push them into your machine and give them a little twist to lock them into place. With this package I also got these ultimate cartridges from WJX, and this is a 9-round liner just to show you how it actually performs with a little bit of a larger needle. So for a magnum we need to do a couple of things. First of all, we're going to decrease our voltage to about 5.0 so we can really build up our shading. Now we need to adjust our grip a little bit because this needle seems to stick out a little bit more, and I don't like my needles to stick out really far whenever I'm shading, so I stick them about this much. Then we're also going to adjust the stroke to about 3.6 because I think at 4.2 it is a little bit too harsh. Even though I personally never really go very much underneath the 3.6 for shading, I just want to showcase what kind of a difference it actually makes on the practice skin. And you can see that it actually comes in a little bit lighter, a little bit softer. It's hard to display it on practice skin, but you can tell the pigment is a little bit lighter. It looks a little bit softer. So yeah, soft shading definitely possible. So I am pretty surprised with how this machine actually works. It works really well. It does nice lining, nice shading. Even with bigger needles, it still performs really well, which sometimes can be a problem with these kind of machines or with beginner bundles because usually the motor quality is a little bit lower. But in this case, it's actually a really well-built machine and well-performing machine. Now, if this is your very first machine that you are buying, I would recommend to maybe stick to 2 or 3 different stroke lengths. Don't play around with it too much. Stick somewhere around the 3.9. It's always a safe zone. You can do your lining, packing, and shading with it. If you use more finer needles, more smaller needles, maybe go a little bit lower to the 3.6, and then kind of work your way around. Learn how to use the machine. If you're going to be blaming the machine, changing strokes and all that, you're just going to set yourself back. So I would stick to 1 or 2 stroke lengths, like I said, and just work your way around it. Learn how to work with the machine. Other than that, this machine is just really straightforward, out of the box, performing well. You got 2 batteries, so if you run out of one, you can always change to the other one. I think one of these batteries will last you at least anywhere between the 4 to 6 hours. So if you have 2 batteries, it would be between the 8 to 12 hours. So you have plenty of battery life, and in between the charging time, you could always use the other one and it will be full before you run out of your other battery. Other than that, I don't think I have a whole lot more to say. If you are interested in buying this product, I will have a link in the description down below so you can have a look at it and save yourself a little extra discount when you are checking out using my promo code. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you think about this machine. Other than that, I wish you all a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.